Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name's Layla, and in today's video we're going to be going through my productive nightly routine. What I am going to accomplish today is laundry, dishes, and dinner. Once that's all completed, I'm going to be going downstairs and I'm going to go to the gym. It's time for me to unwind and go and do the things that I have to do around the house. And then once I complete that, I get to just lay in my bed and do it all over again tomorrow. But that's enough of me talking. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so my kitchen isn't that dirty, but it's dirty enough that we need to clean. So you guys sit back, relax, listen to the music, and I'll be done in about 10 to 20 seconds. Okay guys, I'm finished with dinner. I made chili today. I was debating on making white rice and just eating the meat with white rice, but I wanted chili. What can I say? Anyway, that was about the fastest food that I've ever freaking made. All I did was pop open cans and cook meat. Anyway, see that emptiness over there? That's my living room. I just moved in here in September, I believe. Yes, I have not got couches yet. I just don't feel the need to yet because I want my style of my living room to be perfect. Y'all see it later, don't worry. And if y'all see it later, just know I took my time. I've had chili growing up. It's like one of my childhood meals that my mom used to always make. And every time I meet somebody new, I tell them that I've had it or like I miss having it. And they're like, what is that? I guess a lot of people don't have chili. A lot of people don't, I guess, think that all this stuff mixes in here, but it tastes fantastic. I have to go and do my laundry, clean, pick out my clothes for the gym, head to the gym, and then we come back and take a shower. But I'm gonna finish my meal and I will see you guys when I'm doing my laundry. Guys, so now it's time for me to do my laundry that I've been dreading for a little bit. Don't judge me. Keep the comments to yourself. Anyway, so now it's time for me to sort through all of that, toss it in the laundry and let it run. And then, yeah, so let's get into it. guys. So I am finally in my bed. I am about to go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.